Are you secretly damaging your health without even knowing it? Have you ever wondered why some people stay sharp, energetic and healthy well into their 80s and 90s, while others struggle with constant fatigue, infections and declining health? What if the difference isn't just luck or genetics, but something as simple as how you take care of your body each day? Most of us follow the same hygiene routine we've had for decades. Showering, brushing our teeth, maybe applying some lotion, and assume we're doing everything right. But here's something shocking. There are 5 overlooked body parts that most people, especially older adults, aren't cleaning properly. And here's why that matters. Neglecting these areas can lead to serious health issues, from chronic inflammation to infections that weaken your immune system. New research suggests that poor hygiene in these areas may even contribute to heart disease, diabetes complications, and cognitive decline. Fixing this takes just minutes a day, but it can improve your energy, enhance circulation, and even boost longevity. I never thought much about these hidden hygiene mistakes until I spoke with Dr. Emma Harris, a geriatric specialist with over 30 years of experience. What she shared completely changed the way I think about personal hygiene. So today, I'm going to reveal 5 body parts most people neglect, and why. Giving them just a little extra care could add years to your life. And don't worry, I'm not telling you to spend hours in the bathroom or buy fancy products. These are simple, practical tips that take just minutes a day. But the impact on your health could be life-changing. Stick with me until the end, because once you learn these 5 key areas, you'll start noticing real changes. Fresher breath, better balance, fewer aches, and even improved sleep. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. If you care about your health and want more tips like this, hit the like button. It helps me bring you more valuable content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss another video that could help you live better longer. Now, let's get started with one of the most surprising, yet most overlooked parts of your body, your tongue. The hidden health risk you never think about. Imagine this. You clean your kitchen every day, wipe down the counters, scrub the sink, take out the trash. But what if I told you there's one surface in your home collecting layers of grime, bacteria, and food particles that you completely ignore? That's exactly what happens inside your mouth when you don't clean your tongue properly. Your tongue is more than just a muscle for eating and speaking. It's a breeding ground for bacteria. At any given time, it hosts over 700 different types of microorganisms. Some beneficial, but many that wreak havoc on your health if left unchecked. Here's where it gets serious. Harmful bacteria from your tongue can enter your bloodstream through tiny cuts or inflamed gums, especially common in older adults. Poor tongue hygiene has been linked to heart disease, diabetes complications, and respiratory infections. A coated tongue can dull your sense of taste, weaken your immune system, and cause chronic bad breath. Think of your tongue like an air filter in your home's heating system. If you never clean it, dust and debris build up, and soon enough, the air circulating through your home becomes stale and unhealthy. The good news? Keeping your tongue clean is simple, fast, and requires no expensive tools. Here's a quick routine. Use a tongue scraper. Small, inexpensive, available at any drugstore. Far more effective than brushing alone. Gently scrape from back to front. Don't press too hard. Think of it like wiping down a dusty countertop. You want to be thorough but not aggressive. Repeat 3 to 4 times. You'll often see a thin white or yellow film come off. That's bacteria and dead cells you don't want in your body. Rinse with water or an antibacterial mouthwash. Timing matters. Morning, before breakfast to remove overnight buildup. Night, take it slower and lighter. Your tongue will be more sensitive after a full day. This simple 3-minute habit can transform your health in ways you never expected. Benefits: regain your sense of taste. Flavors become more vibrant again. Boost your immune system. Reducing bacteria in your mouth lightens the burden on your immune system. Say goodbye to bad breath. Cleaning your tongue addresses the root cause. Small, intentional habits like this can ripple outward, improving your long-term well-being. And this is just the first of 5 overlooked hygiene habits that could add years to your life. Next, let's talk about your feet, the foundation of your health you might be neglecting. Take a moment to think about how much your feet do every single day. They support your weight, keep you moving, and provide balance. Yet, for most people, foot care is an afterthought. A quick rinse in the shower, maybe a little lotion, if they remember. Neglecting proper foot hygiene can lead to infections, nerve damage, and even life-altering conditions. Poor foot care affects circulation, balance, and mobility, putting you at risk for falls, swelling, and chronic pain. And for people over 50, foot health is directly connected to overall well-being. Dr. Emma Harris puts it this way: your feet are like the foundation of a house. If the base is weak or crumbling, everything above it, your posture, your joints, even your heart health, starts to suffer. Here's the solution: daily foot care. Wash thoroughly. Use a soft washcloth and mild soap. Don't forget, between the toes, use warm, not hot water. Hot water can dry out your skin, dry your feet completely, especially between your toes. Moisture traps fungus and bacteria. Moisturize the tops and soles, never between the toes. Daily inspection matters too. Check for discoloration, cracks, sores, or swelling or tingling. Early detection prevents serious complications. Next is your armpits, more than just sweat and odor. A hidden key to your immune health. Your underarms house lymph nodes, small but powerful structures that filter or toxins, drain waste, and support your immune system. Neglecting this area can lead to clogged pores, irritation, rashes, or even infections. How to properly clean your underarms: use warm water and a gentle cleanser. Circular motions, then up and down and side to side. Rinse completely. Don't leave soap residue. Dry gently with a soft towel. Don't rub. Let your underarms air out before deodorant. Proper underarm hygiene can improve circulation, immune function, and reduce odor. Now, your nose, the ultimate defense system. We take nearly 20,000 breaths every day, but most people aren't breathing as well as they could. Poor nasal hygiene can lead to congestion, snoring, poor sleep, and even reduced oxygen flow to the brain. How to care for your nose. Start with a gentle saline rinse or neti pot. Blow gently, one nostril at a time. Use steam inhalation with eucalyptus or peppermint oil. Moisturize nasal passages with coconut or vitamin E oil if needed. Better nasal hygiene leads to clearer breathing, deeper sleep, and more energy. Finally, your belly button, the smallest overlooked area with a big impact. As we age, hormonal shifts, medications, and slower skin cell turnover can subtly affect skin health and scent. Daily gentle cleaning of your belly button can prevent odor, irritation, and infection. If you have a piercing, extra care is needed. Clean gently, dry completely, and watch for redness or sensitivity. Small changes, big payoff. From your tongue to your feet, armpits, nose, and belly button. These simple habits can reduce infections, boost immunity, improve circulation, and make you feel fresher, cleaner, and more energized every day. Now it's your turn. What was the most surprising thing you learned today? Drop a comment below and let me know which habit you'll start adding. And if you found these tips helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Inner Spark health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.